I have seen nowadays the people are much worried about what type of phone they are using. If they are using a Realme and if their friend is using iPhone, then I don't know, certain type of thoughts will be there in their mind and everyone is thinking that I should go with the latest phone. But when you have two choices are there, whether I should invest in iPhone 15 or I should invest in learning something which will be very benefit for me, then I would suggest you should go with the learning. What my thought process is saying that if you are ready to negotiate yourself by not spending a lot of money on the iPhone and all, and if you're investing that money on gaining the knowledge, I can assure you that you can take hundreds of iPhone by using that knowledge. See, iPhone and all, like we have iPhone 14 was there, then now recently iPhone 15 got launched. People are very mad behind that and people are ready to go for the EMI options also. But when we are saying that we have options available for the training, they are not ready, because no one want to spend the money on the education. They want to spend the money on the iPhone and other thoughts. So my suggestion to all of the people who are thinking in a such way that if you are utilizing, if you are spending, or if you are thinking about getting a knowledge, that knowledge can give you number of iPhones in future. Do not waste your time and money on the things which will give you short term happiness. You should always try to invest your money which will give you long term happiness. If you are getting a good knowledge and if you are getting placed with some good company, definitely they are going to pay you a lot of money, and by using that money you can purchase whatever you wish in your life. Whenever there is a student who is doing the inquiry with the Learnomate, and when Learnomate sales team they are reaching out to that candidate, this candidate is saying that, sir, recently I have purchased the new iPhone, so that is the reason we are not able to join this session at this point. We will try to join in the next batch. So when we get to know about this kind of thought process, we are like, the people are not ready to invest on the knowledge. Their parents are ready to invest on the knowledge, but the students are not ready to invest on the knowledge. There will be a question in your mind that, are you not using iPhone? I am using two iPhones. We have two iPhones are there as of now. We have a DSLR camera is there. We have other things are also there. So that will come obviously automatically along with the knowledge what you are gaining. In my past, I have taken the right decision by investing the amount on the knowledge. So it is a time to think seriously, take the decisions, because this time is very crucial, guys. If you are not taking the right decision as of now, the future will be a problem. Along with this, I want to tell you that we are going to start with our new Oracle DBA batch. Those people who are interested to join this completely real-time Oracle database training, they can reach out to the Learnomate team. The number is available over the screen. And again, it's your final call. It's just that I thought to share my thought process in front of you, and don't take it negatively, take it positively. Again, life is very important. We should enjoy it, but don't think that today is the last day, tomorrow you will not get a day. So invest on the right things and think about the future also. If you are investing on the right things, your future will be bright.